Hello, I'm Aaron Chow, and this time I made another bird feeder, but very simple. I used an empty toilet paper roll and used peanut butter to serve as glue. I rolled the peanut butter onto the toilet paper roll and then stuck the bird seeds onto there. Now all I need to do is to hang it up. Alright, I just used a broken set of earbuds to serve as a string to hang it, and peanut butter is full of proteins, and especially for this cold season, the birds will enjoy it. Hi bird, I hope you enjoy this very much. You see, the cardinal is coming.